Most people say they want passive income, but very few people actually understand what it means. Passive income is not magic. It's not luck. And it's definitely not easy. Passive income is built, not found. Yet the internet makes it look effortless. Earn while you sleep, they say. No work required, they promise. But if that were true, everyone would already be free. Here's the truth no one likes to hear. Passive income doesn't to remove work. It removes repetition due work. On say, you build a system, and that system keeps paying you. That's the entire game. And most people never play it properly. Welcome to American Finance Hub. This is not a hype channel. This is where systems are explained. Not shortcuts, not fake motivation. Just how money actually works in real life. In 2026, the economy is louder than ever. Everyone is selling something. Everyone is posting content. Everyone wants attention. But attention is limited. And that's why clarity wins. The people who succeed aren't the loudest. They're the most consistent. They build assets quietly, while others chase trends loudly. That's the separation. Let's define an asset. An asset pays you without asking permission. It doesn't depend on your mood. It doesn't care if you're tired. It works even when you don't. Employees rent time. Freelancers rent skills. Asset builders own systems, and systems scale. This is why faceless content is exploding. Not because it's easy, but because it compounds. A video uploaded once can earn for years. A blog written once can rank forever. This is digital leverage. You don't need a camera. You don't need fame. You need clarity and patience. Most people quit before compounding starts. That's why they never see results. One video won't change your life. 10 probably won't either. But 50 might. 100 definitely can. Algorithms reward persistence, not talent. AI changed the game in 2026. But it didn't replace thinking. It replaced friction. Lazy creators. Builders multiplied. The winners don't sell information. They sell organization. They sell clarity. They sell time savings. Templates beat motivation. People are overwhelmed. They don't want more content. They want simple systems. And systems scale beautifully. Affiliate income still works. But spam doesn't. Trust does. Education does. Long-form explanations win. Short hype fades. People don't click links anymore. They follow understanding. If you explain clearly, the solution sells itself. Quietly. Consistently. Predictably. Passive income is boring at first. That's why most people fail. And that's exactly why it works.